Good morning, happy Monday morning, I suppose. AZ and I have spent the last hour, 2 hours cleaning up our apartment. It's not very clean yet, but it's getting there. So we've been packing away a bunch of our stuff as we clean it. I'm just currently working on dishes and cleaning the countertops. My husband brought all of our trash down to the trash bin and the recycling. So yeah, we have to be out of here in just over an hour. So we're tidying everything up and we'll be out. This is one last look through our 30-day-ish plus a little bit extra apartment here in England. This is the kitchen / living room area. Looking pretty good. Our nice bathroom, front entryway, and our bedroom. So yeah, it's been a great month stay here, but I'm definitely ready to get into our own house. Well, we're still renting, but it's a more long-term lease. This was only for a month. We had it extended for 2 to 3 months because we couldn't find a place, and that was a hot mess. But we got a place, we're moving out. His company is still covering everything, all of the transfers. So yeah, we're moving into our official housing today. So we just moved all of our stuff out to this sidewalk area. We're gonna call a cab in a minute, but yeah, this is everything. We had to use a lot of grocery bags and trash bags because we already brought our 2 larger suitcases over and did not fully pack them. We underestimated how many extra stuff we had. So yeah, that's our crazy mess of stuff. Hello and good morning. So I know the last clip I had was when we were leaving our last apartment, about to move into our new house here. It is actually 2 days later. I stopped filming because when we got here we had probably about 15 packages, and then we wanted to unpack just a little bit. I started putting together our chairs and our bed frame, and so I just got really distracted all day long. And then yesterday was actually my birthday, so I just had a really chill day with my husband. Was on the phone a lot with friends from back in the States, so it was a good day. But anyways, so I want to give you guys a house tour, I guess, just to see, where we're living now. And it is a huge mess. I cannot stress that enough. We are ordering everything on Amazon and other online sites right now. We have basically 0 furniture. When we moved here, we only brought what we could fit in our suitcases from the States. And so we literally have clothes, and my husband brought his PS5, and that's about it. Yeah, bear with me. There's a lot of boxes, a lot of trash. We don't have a trash bin yet. We don't have anything. So anyways, I'll show you what we do have and what the floor plan looks like, and yeah. So firstly, this is our front door here. We have 2 front doors, I guess, in this little landing. And then off to the side when you walk in, it's just a really, really small bathroom. So that is that. And then we walk back in, and this is our foyer, I suppose. So I'll give you a glimpse of some of our trash. So right now, this is everything that won't fit in our garbage bins outside. So we're just waiting for trash day to come. And then off of the foyer to our right is our kitchen. This is it in all of its glory. Sorry, I did not even attempt to straighten up before filming. You get the real life here. So it's fairly modern in here. A lot of places we've been looking into before deciding on this unit were pretty old, have not been redone in a while, and so seeing the relatively new cabinets and fresh paint, relatively fresh paint. There's a whole nother story. Apparently the previous tenant painted and did a really terrible job. So at the top of every single wall, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it on here. Yeah, it kind of shows up. But the very, very top up there is like a grayish green yellow or like manila. And then the rest of the wall all the way down is a more yellowy tone, and it's the same thing on the bottom. You can see a little bit better there, but I mean, it doesn't bother me. It's so subtle, I don't care. But it is pretty funny that it's like every single room throughout the entire house, like up there. Yeah. So yeah, so this is our crazy looking kitchen, but it is great. We have a washer. It's not a dryer, so I'll have to get used to that. We ordered, I ordered some racks so we can dry our clothes, and then a full size fridge, which is pretty awesome. Some of our friends here had us over a few days ago, and their fridge is just about like half the size of ours, so it's pretty crazy. I'm definitely very grateful. But yeah, so this is it. And then it opens up into our living room, dining room area. So underneath this light fixture is going to be our dining room. I'm not sure how big of a table and like seating area we're gonna be able to fit here, but yeah. So this will be our dining area. Unfortunately, I don't think the table is gonna be centered underneath the light fixture because our couch is going to be slightly larger than this area here. So it's gonna spill over into this like alcove area. But yeah, our couch is gonna go where our current coffee table is. And then I'm going to have my desk behind here and a little reading area over here where all of our boxes are. I have boxes in boxes because honestly, I just don't know what else to do. But yeah, that's our TV, our beautiful, relatively small but great size for over here, backyard. Our dog is going to love that. And then we also have some skylights, which are really nice. It makes the rooms feel so bright. Currently, there are absolutely no lights on down here, but the room is still super bright. But yeah, so this is downstairs. Sorry, I've talked so much about absolutely nothing. This is our Harry Potter closet. Goes all the way back. And then our staircase over here. All right, so first, our landing is pretty large. It's a nice space. We might have like a little bench seating area here because I don't know what else to put here. Might just leave it alone. So then here is my husband's office right off of the landing. He got the smallest room, which I kind of feel bad, but don't know what else would go in here. So he's got his little setup. We're gonna get a bookshelf in here. A nice comfy armchair and I guess like side table, and that'll be it for his room. So then the next room over is our master bedroom. There's not much in here yet other than our bed, but this is it. I ordered different sheets because these ones are a slightly wrong color and they're for a double bed, and ours is a UK king, so they don't quite fit. There is room on either side for a very small nightstand, and then our dresser and like hanging rack are gonna go along this wall. So yeah, it's a pretty good space. And then we've got plenty of room to walk in over here. And lastly, there's nothing I can do about this mess right now. I'm not worrying about it, but this is our guest room slash my filming studio eventually once I get things set up. But yeah, right now it's currently just our closet. It's a hot mess. So yeah, this is the room. And that's the window, the view. And this is it. And then, oh yeah, our main bathroom. Again, a bit of a mess. Don't know exactly yet how I want to organize it, but I might get some floating shelves. But yeah, so this is it.